Hello, 你好, hola everyone. This is Mr. Yuan. I am the upper school Mandarin teacher in CMI. Today, I am so thrilled to share an exciting event with all of you. Our 4th grade students and we had an incredible opportunity to visit the Chinese Embassy for the International Chinese Language Day. We witnessed so many great performances like Tai Chi, Kung Fu, paper cutting, and Chinese opera. Our students were so engaged.
Like the time and care to give the opportunity for all these kids to see the culture of China.
And I got to learn about this unique cutting paper tradition where they cut paper up into these really unique and intricate pieces.
Well, doing Kung Fu at the event, it was very fun because I got to learn how to do.
I'm so proud for 3 reasons. First, I'm proud of my students. They represent our school so well. At the end of the event, the embassy staff told me our students truly stood out. They were respectful, polite, and curious in a very positive way. Second, I'm very proud of our school leader, Miss Bobo, who gave a beautiful speech at the start, representing all of us, expressing our gratitude and showing how learning Chinese can bridge the US and China. In the future, I hope we can bring more grade levels so more students from CMI can have these authentic cultural experiences, whether at the embassy or in other cultural events. Everyone say 你好. 你好. I hope this event is like a small seed we've planted, a small spark that will grow and blossom, and bloom into a lifelong love for language and culture. Thank you so much for letting me share, and I cannot wait to see where this journey takes us next. Hello, one, go. 好一朵美丽的茉莉花，好一朵美丽的茉莉花，芬芳美丽满枝桠，又香又白人人夸。让我来将你摘下，送给别人家。茉莉花呀茉莉花，真棒！